So this is the fan that I am going to troubleshoot. So first, let us plug it in to test or see what is the problem. So as we can hear, the fan is noisy. Let us take a closer look to the fan to see what may be the cause of the problem. So as we can see, the fan is full of dust. So there, the LECs are full of dust, even at the back. It is full of dust. So now what we need to do is to clean this fan to make sure that every part of it is clean, and let's proceed on troubleshooting. So there you see it is full of dust. So we need to clean all of this. So now let's start cleaning. We need to use a clean cloth to clean the fan. In cleaning, we need to be careful in cleaning or wiping off the dust on the LECs. So now I will open the back part of the fan to clean it. I will just gently wipe this area to make sure that it is clean and free from dust. As I am cleaning the area, I have observed that the fan has a missing screw. So here, let's take a closer look to the missing screw. So as you can see, it has a missing screw while the other side has its screw. So now I am thinking that maybe it is one of the reason why the fan is noisy. To solve this problem, I have searched some screws on our toolbox. So what we need to do is to find the suitable screw that is fit to the fan. So I guess this one fits on our fan. So to make sure, we just need to try to fit it on our fan. So in here, we need to use the screwdriver. So there you go. We just need to make sure that it is intact. To fix the noise, so we need an oil to be put here. So we just need to pour it down to this hole. And let's just let the oil flow inside. So we just need to pour the right amount of oil needed. So we also need to move the fan or the hélices of the fan so that the oil will be spread inside. So after that, we just need to put back the lock at the back of the fan, and now let us test if it works. So as you can hear, the noise is gone and we did a good job.